Hi, today we are going to learn Pre-Algebra Lesson 1 starting from integers. What are integers? Before knowing the integers, let us revise whole numbers and natural numbers. We have learnt whole numbers are all those set of numbers starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. And natural numbers are all counting numbers from 1, 2, 3, 4 to infinity. Now whole numbers are denoted by capital letter W. Similarly, natural numbers are denoted by capital letter N. Now let's come to number line, wherein I will introduce you to a whole new set of numbers other than whole numbers and natural numbers. So this is a straight line which has been divided into equal segments, and I have taken the center as 0. Here we can see there are two sides of 0. One is the right side. So this is the right hand side of 0. The other one is the left hand side of 0. We can write the numbers to the right hand side as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Similarly, to the left hand side also we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Now, if we assume that there is a girl called Lalita who walks to the left of 0 4 steps. I repeat, Lalita walks from 0 4 steps towards the left. So, from 0 she walks towards the left 4 steps. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, she reaches at the number 4. Similarly, let us assume there is one more person called Ram who starts his journey from 0 and walks towards the right of 0 5 steps. So from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now how do we represent this right hand side and left hand side in a more sophisticated way? We can mark the left hand side of the 0 as negative side. So these becomes -1, -2 and so on. So we say the left hand side of 0 is the negative and denote it with a minus sign. Similarly, the right hand side of 0 is the positive side and is represented with a plus sign. So this set of numbers from the negative to the positive is known as integers. Integers is denoted with the capital letter Z. Z comes from a German word zählen, which means count. So Z is the set of numbers which starts from the negative, from infinity like this to -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 and then with positive signs 1, 2, 3 and so on. We generally don't denote the positive integers with the plus sign. If there is no sign, it means it's a positive integer with a plus sign. And we represent it with z positive. Similarly, the negative integers are represented with z negative. Now, when we have said the number line, we can also be able to say the successor and predecessor of a number. So this is our number line, and we have a question, say 5. Number 5 will have a predecessor, that is before number. So this is number 5, and before 5 comes 4. Successor, after 5 comes 6. So in this case, both are positive integers. Another example is 7. Before 7 comes 6, and after 7 comes 8. Then we come to minus 2. So before minus 2, the predecessor is minus 3 and the successor will be minus 1. 0. Now 0 will surely have a predecessor and successor after we learn the integers. So now we can say that 0 too have a predecessor which is minus 1 and a successor which is plus 1. Like minus 4 will have a predecessor as minus 5 and successor as minus 3. In our next class, we will learn how to compare these integers and find out which number is greater and which number is smaller in an integer. To sum up, we have learned today that integers are the set of numbers which starts from negative to the positive with infinity. Thank you.